Welcome to the Investment Process Channel. I am C3 Christopher Cameron. This is a channel where we teach people how to create generational wealth through trading. This is week 33 of the trading plan. We'll talk about NAS, S&P, gold, and oil if we get to it. So let's get into the trading week. Stop the presses, stop the presses. So it's been a couple weeks. I working on a real estate deal, so wasn't able to post. Have I been watching the market? Have I been participating? Definitely. Here we go for this week 33. Right. Yep, it's week 33. So looking at that daily, came right back into clean up all of these imbalances that we were looking at. Like I said, it was it cleaned up a gap for last week when the market slammed down. As you can see, it's rebounding to clean up some of these imbalances right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at NAS as it stands. Okay, here's the monthly for NAS. You see it slammed back down. Got support right here at 17,284. On a monthly, got that evening star. So looking at this monthly, can't see it getting any lower than where we are right now. Let's go ahead to the weekly. So here's our weekly. Overall, we want this little imbalance right here on the weekly. Still got support down here. Little imbalance right here that we might clean up. I doubt it that we get all the way back up to here, but I would still be looking at the monthly being bearish as it is. All of this to for it to run to. I don't see it coming all the way back up here. Again, we're middle of the month, the 11th. Let's go ahead and look at the daily. So with the daily, again, just a little bit of imbalance to clean up here. There's that gap, then more of that imbalance. Let's go ahead and outline our range right now. The price is moving within. So that's our range. Right now, again, by it being bearish. Oh, I did that. By being bearish. Do it like this. So price is coming right into this area right here that we want, where price is at a premium. If we get some resistance here at 18,722 for it to continue down, at least to come here to 17,230, where we'll be looking forward to break support, full support. But right now we would just be looking forward to break support at 17,782. In order for us to think it's going to continue down again, middle of the month, it may continue back down. but I'd definitely be looking forward to clean up this imbalance right here first before continuing down. So likelihood of it, let's take off this likelihood of got support, cleaned up that. Yeah. Let me look at that monthly again. I don't think it's going to come all the way back up there. Yeah. Let me look at this weekly. Line here. Make that my weekly. Go back out to the monthly. Yeah, I don't see it coming all the way back up there to clean that up. Again, definitely looking at from a daily perspective, having price come right back to here. Let me scooch that down just a little bit. Let's look at that 4 hour. Okay, 4 hours says it might come all the way back up to here. Need a better, look for a stronger close above 18,489. But we do have a candle with no wick here. Let me, can you guys see that? Yeah, let me scooch this. Scoot over. Have a candle right here with no wick on the daily. Excuse me, on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we have the candle with no wick. Will it come back and clean that up? Hopefully. But we're looking at potentially coming all the way back to 19,362 to clean up that imbalance. Let's let's go ahead and put another. Nope, I want to use this line here. I need alert. What I do need to change this to my 4 hour color. Okay. So yeah, click back on the daily. Could price potentially come all the way back up to here? High probability. High probability was that 27. 367. All right, this trade is gonna get. Looking for price to come somewhere back up to here. If it pushes past, again, I'm looking for resistance here at 18,713. If it pushes past there, highly likelihood it's going to 19,373, and then turn back around and continue down. Again, this is our range. We're looking to get support here at 17,777. Then price to either break that support and continue down, or we'll get a nice bounce back and then continue down. That's really what I'm looking for this week. Week 33 for NAS. Let's go over here to S&P. So for S&P, what we see here on the monthly looks a lot like NAS. That's the reason why I just trade NAS. I am doing the Leap challenge for TradeView, and That's the reason why I'm looking at the S&P index. So looking here again, had that nice setup. Looks like a evening star for the monthly. Real strong bearish candle. No gap here on the weekly. I think, was that on the daily that it showed up for NAS? So I think pretty much the plan is still the same. Here's your weekly. Let me go ahead and throw this here. Again, looking at a bearish week now, I will tell you this for S&P. I don't see a lot of imbalance. I see most things have been cleaned up. There's the gap. It was on the daily. The gap was on the daily. So there's the gap. It's been cleaned up. Still have this imbalance. Here's the weekly. So we're looking at it to probably go to and through 53.99 up to 54.15. I think we're gonna get more resistance there at 54.16 before continuing back down. That's my box, my range. Oh, it's not. Why did I drop this here? Delete that. So my range. Wow. Yeah, this is my range here, from here to here. Actually, here. Now, my main concern with S&P, we have this daily candle with no wick. Let me try to zoom in a little bit. Okay, super small wick. There. Let's see, it's a super small wick. I would pretty much say it's no wick on the daily. Let's look. So weekly. No wick there. 4 hour. So again, this looks just like the those were artifacts from my previous look last week at S&P. So we have here this imbalance. Look like we're going to get again resistance here at 53.99. Potentially come all the way up to 55.32 before continuing down. It's already cleaned up this gap. It's touched it a couple times. So and if I pull out my Fibonacci right here, price premium, we're looking for to sell from above this area where prices are premium, and price at a premium, and this is the best place to get it. But we're going to be looking for resistance here at 53.99. We want to see a confirmation before price continuing down. We'll be looking for, again, yes, definitely a 4 hour bullish and bearish candle to get confirmation that price is, coming back this way. And that's That's a nice little pickup. Let's look real quick. $2,700. $244 and 27. Yeah, about 10 to 1. But again, if we see it still climbing, I need to see a nice strong 4-hour. Like not close above 53.99. Would have to not close above 53.99 in order for me to get a position. So that's the plan for S&P. Again, we're doing the same thing as we are for NAS, which is waiting for about 53.99 to see if we get some resistance, get a confirmation, then if the price continue down. Then we're looking forward to, this will probably be your TP. Ooh, it's 4 hour now. Let me look at the daily. Yeah, this is definitely TP1. Would be 51.88. 51.88. So it's plan for the week for S&P. Again, I'm just a little bit. Let me put this. Let me just do this real quick. This is a 4 hour. Click off of that. Let me go back to my daily. So if it does shoot past this daily candle with this little wick here, if it shoots past here, that's where it'll be going to 55.28 to clean up that imbalance up there. Again, that's why I said we're looking for some nice strong confirmation. I need a 4 hour that doesn't close above 53.99. Like it'll touch it, kind of just like this. It'll come up, get you a bearish candle. I mean bullish, followed by a bearish candle. Get my confirmation on the 4 hour, and then look for a position when it pulls back to continue down. So, that's planned for S&P. Let's go over here to gold. So as you see, even though S&P and everything is taking a hit, gold is still moving within the range that we set up a couple weeks ago. Now, however, it's been plenty of opportunity to get some points. Again, here on the daily, we got, looks like 2 candles with like very tiny wicks right here. 2 candles. Boom, right here. All right, let's clean this up and take a look at the gold. Gold, week 33 again. It's looking, gold's looking bearish. Let's just call it what it is. Call it what it is. Gold is looking bearish. I'm gonna call it what it is. It's still overall very bullish. This month just may be a bearish month. Going back to what we were looking at weekly, still working within this range. We do have a higher low here on the weekly. We have a higher high here on the weekly as well. So again, pretty much, yeah, here to here is our range. But on a daily, it's going to be here to here. Let's go ahead. Let's go to daily. Okay, daily. Again, that's why I said, it's about right. Anyway, so that's our range that we're working with on daily. Let's go here to the 4 hour. See what's going on. Wow, okay. Candle here with no wick. Candle down here with no wick. Gold is real testy. Real testy. All right, here's the plan. See two possibilities. This price is going up right now, looking bullish. Again, overall, the month is bearish. Remember that. Remember that. Overall, the month is bearish. Weekly, bearish week, last week. Middle of the month as well. So got 2 weeks to make something happen. Right here daily, we have an imbalance to clean up here. I'm seeing a highly likelihood for it to clean up this imbalance. So price come right back to this area. On a daily. So I'm gonna put this here. Four-hour. See what we got to support that. Don't see any imbalance. Very small one here. No, yep, very small one there. It's another one. Small one here. Again, we have this candle with no wick. We also got a candle with no wick here. So when is it going to take these out? I don't know. Looking at the S&P and this is August, so people are coming back into the market. Let's all recognize that the end of summer break is fast approaching. With that being said, I'm looking for it to touch here, get support, probably come back up here and take out this imbalance and continue down. At least to clean up this imbalance. I mean, excuse me, at least to clean up this candle with no wick. Again, this candle with no wick. Dang, we got two. 1, 2. It's a lot of buyers working gold right now. It's a lot of buyers working gold. Even when the buyers come in, they're selling off. Let's come back quickly. Yeah, I'm thinking get support here, take that out, and then come back down to here. It's looking like it really wants to go, though. So one of two things. Either it's going to get support here, then take out this candle with no wick here. That happened on August 5th, or it's going to break through this and then knock these two candles with no wicks out. Tried it once. The fates are telling me it's going to try it again. It's really prevalent here on the output. I'll break through this support here. I'll definitely put a line there. Go back here to the 4-hour. Yeah. I would look for it to touch this, bounce up, and then take out this. I will not get position until I see what it does here at 24.10. Once I see that, we'll be good to go. If I get a 4-hour close below this, likelihood is going to come back and clean up that whatever imbalance or pull back into this area and then continue down. Textbook, we're working within this range here anyway, so the likelihood that it's going to hit 2381 at some point, and it may come all the way back up here at some point as well. Right now I'm just looking for it to get support here at 2407. If it gets support here and it doesn't break, get a 4-hour close below 2407, then it'll probably take out this candle with no wick up here. So that's the trading plan for gold for the week. Again, comment, like, and subscribe. This is the Investment Process Channel. I'm Christopher Campbell, C3. This channel where we teach people how to create generational wealth through trading. Thank you for joining. See you this week. Again, I'm going to be part of the Leap contest this month, and I'm going to get some live trades. It's paper trading. You know, there's awards, so I will be recording and probably streaming live my trades for this contest. So anybody want to join me, feel free. We'll probably be on at 9 and 3 Monday through Friday of this week and next week. So I'll see you there. Have a great week.